Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing pot right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called Ichiran. If you notice what this is the Tonkotsu Ramen that is by Ichiran itself. So for the one that I have right here is a 3-pack, but the one that they sell on like Amazon is a 5-pack. So basically they provide you the same stuff that is included in the package itself, except for the Amazon one is a little bit more better because they provide you 2 more of the actual soup base and 2 more of the noodles, 2 more of the red sauce, and they also provide you a little chopstick itself that has a floral kind of design onto it, which is pretty nice. But basically they provide you one of these Ichiran package itself for the tonkotsu sauce, and then they provide you the red sauce, and then they provide you 5 of these packages right here, which is their thin noodles, which are really good if you guys make it correctly. They told you guys that don't make it any more than 2 minutes or so, depending on how well you guys want to make the noodles. And for the one that you guys buy on Amazon, they don't even have the instruction in English, it's all in Japanese. So that's where this one comes in handy. So this one actually provides you guys instruction in English. So if you guys can't read the one that is on Amazon, you guys can read it on here. So that's why I made this video, so you guys can actually see it, so you guys can follow the instruction on here. Or if you guys want like a more direct picture of like the instruction itself, just message me on like my food channel or my food IG, and I'll send you guys a picture of this so you can see it much clearer if you guys can't read the Japanese. But basically making it is really easy. You just have to boil the water, add the noodles in, cook it for like I believe 2 minutes. Yeah, so you cook it on medium fire for roughly around 2 minutes and 30 seconds, which you guys will be able to see in the video. And then you just want to turn off the fire, let it cool down or whatever. Add the soup base in, kind of stir it around, give the sauce a good mix, and then make sure all the noodles get the sauce. Once it's ready, you guys can actually put it onto a bowl, pour in the red sauce on, and then you guys are all ready to eat. So let me actually show you guys a quick video of what it actually looks like to kind of cook it a little bit, and a quick picture of what it looks like afterward, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the video and the picture of what it actually looks like, let me actually show you guys what the actual packaging looks like. So the one right here is different than the actual packaging on Amazon itself. So if you guys take a look at the packaging right here, they have a Japanese logo on there and everything, but basically the noodles, the sauce and everything is all the same. It's just a different design of the packaging itself. Give you guys more noodles, you guys get a better value for what you guys are paying for, and you guys are also getting a really cool chopstick. But now that we did like a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this product is worth it if you guys need one or want one of these, or if you guys are willing to pay that premium price for a premium noodle, then these are actually really worth it. Only difference versus this one versus what you guys are getting from the actual restaurant itself is that you guys don't get that char siu and you guys don't get that hard-boiled egg that tastes really good. You guys can also do that yourself, but it won't be the same. But the noodle flavor and also the red sauce itself is really tasteful and really delicious and everything. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have